Color Preserve Professional is a customizable 4-step deep conditioning treatment offered as an in-salon service. It takes 10 to 15 minutes to complete, with no heat or wait time required. The results last up to 5 weeks with the weekly booster. Featuring color locking technology, it locks in color and protects radiance for lasting brilliance. Shampoo with color retaining shampoo. Rinse thoroughly and squeeze out the excess water. Do not towel dry. Moisture is needed for the product to penetrate deeply. Step 1 preps the hair for best treatment results. Usage amount will vary. Apply Step 1 from mid-lengths through ends. Detangle and evenly distribute. Taking manageable sections, gently massage the hair between your palms and thumbs. Always massage in a downward motion. Massage until the hair feels smooth. Continue until you complete every section. Do not rinse, and directly apply Step 2. Step 2 locks in color molecules and helps prevent color from washing out. Use the same amount of product as Step 1. Apply from mid-lengths to ends and evenly distribute. Gently massage each section of the hair until it feels smooth. If the hair begins to feel dry, mist with water. Rinse thoroughly. Everything needed is absorbed. Squeeze out the excess water. Do not towel dry. Step 3 delivers moisture into the hair to achieve radiance from within. Use the same amount of product as Step 1. Apply from mid-lengths to ends and evenly distribute. Gently massage each section until the hair feels smooth. Step 4 smooths and enhances shine and vibrancy. Use the same amount of product as Step 1. Apply from mid-lengths to ends and evenly distribute. Gently massage each section until the hair feels smooth. The hair will be noticeably shiny. Rinse well. Based on the client's hair texture, you can leave 5 to 10% on the ends. Color Retaining Primer is perfect for all hair types. It is designed to help defend hair color from heat and UV exposure while maintaining vibrancy and hydration. Apply on damp hair from mid-lengths to ends before a blowout. Send your client home with the corresponding weekly booster. This helps their treatment last for up to 5 weeks. At home, clients will use a weekly booster in place of their regular conditioner once a week. For best results, leave on for 5 minutes, then rinse. Color Preserve Home Care is ideal for clients who received the Color Preserve Professional treatment. Milbon Color Preserve Collection for lasting color brilliance.